You pay a bill every single month, and your child has probably never asked what it is. That bill might just be the most important money lesson you have never taught them. Insurance is one of those costs every family carries, yet most children grow up with no idea what it is, why it exists, or how it actually works. The good news is, you do not need to be a financial expert to explain it. You just need the right words and the right moment. The OECD, one of the world's leading research organizations on education, says financial learning should begin in early childhood. And their own student research shows that children who discuss money decisions with their parents perform better in financial literacy. So this conversation matters, and it starts with you. Let's begin with the simplest possible idea. Picture a rainy day. You cannot know exactly when it will rain, but you carry an umbrella anyway before the rain starts. Insurance works the same way. You pay for the protection before something goes wrong, so you are ready when it does. For children age 4 to 7, that umbrella image is perfect. Try saying this tonight. You know how we bring an umbrella, even when sunny? Insurance is like that. We pay a little bit every month so that if something happens, like if someone in our family gets sick, we already have a plan. That one sentence plants the seed. Now, let's talk about something even younger children can feel in their hands. Gather a small group, your kids, cousins, classmates at a birthday party, and give each person one coin. Ask everyone to drop their coin into a shared jar. Now explain, if one person's toy breaks, the jar helps pay to fix it. Nobody has to cover the whole cost alone. That is the heart of how insurance works. This idea even has a proper name. It is called risk pooling. Thousands of families each pay a small, regular amount into one big shared pool. When one family is hit by something unexpected, an illness, a fire, an accident, money from that pool helps them through it. No single family has to face the full cost alone. For children aged 5 to 9, there's a story you already know that makes this even clearer. The Three Little Pigs. 2 pigs built quickly and hoped for the best. 1 pig built carefully with a plan. Insurance is the brick house. You build your protection before the wolf arrives, not after. Once your child is around 8 or 9 years old, they are ready for 3 real words. Say them plainly, without any rush. The first word is premium. A premium is the regular amount your family pays to stay protected, like a subscription for your safety net. You pay it every month, whether anything goes wrong or not. The second word is claim. A claim is what you do when something does go wrong. You go back to the insurance company and say, we had an accident, we had a flood, someone in our family was ill. We need help now. The claim is how you actually use the protection you have been paying for. The third word is policy. A policy is the written agreement, the rule book that says exactly what is covered, who is covered, and what is not. This is why grown-ups read those long documents carefully. Knowing what your policy covers before something goes wrong is the whole point. There are different types of insurance for different types of risk. Health insurance helps cover medical costs when someone is unwell. Home insurance helps if your house is damaged or belongings are stolen. Life insurance is there to support a family financially if a parent or loved one passes away. Each one protects against a different kind of unexpected loss. When a real family moment arrives, a doctor's visit, a car repair bill, a home maintenance cost, that is your classroom. You do not need to make it a lecture. Just say calmly, this is why we pay our insurance every month. Instead of one enormous bill all at once, we pay a smaller amount regularly, and our insurance covers the rest. That is the whole lesson, said in real life. For children aged 10 and older, you can introduce the honest trade-off. You pay premiums every month, even in months when absolutely nothing goes wrong. That can feel a little frustrating. But here's the way to think about it. It's like paying for a lock on your bike, even if your bike is never stolen. The protection has value whether you use it or not. Some older children worry when adults talk about illness, accidents, or death. Reassure them directly. Talking about these things is not scary. It is responsible. Every caring family makes a plan for difficult moments. That is what insurance is. It is an act of looking after the people you love before you need to. If your child is 10 to 14, invite them into a real conversation about your family's own insurance. You do not need to share every detail. Just ask together, what does this cover? Who does it protect? And what would we do if we ever had to use it? That conversation alone, research from the OECD confirms, makes children more financially capable as they grow up. The OECD and European Union's financial framework for young people lists understanding risk and reward as one of the core skills every young person needs. Insurance sits right at the heart of that. Children who understand it will not be overwhelmed when they face their first policy, their first premium, or their first claim as adults. Here is your one thing to do today. Tonight, pull out an umbrella, a real one, and put on the table. Tell your child, this is what insurance is. We carry it before the rain comes, because we cannot know exactly when the rain will arrive. Ask them what they think that means. Then just listen. That conversation is worth more than any worksheet. If this helped you find a simple, honest way to talk about money with your child, subscribe to Little Money Habits. Every video gives you one more practical conversation to have at any age, anywhere in the world.